Welcome to our workshop for this week's August challenge. Thank you for joining me today. Before we get more settled, make sure you have a pen and paper ready for this workshop. Jennifer, our licensed mental health counselor, kicked off this week's theme, which is physical health. She talked about the shame cycles we can get into when we focus on where we wish we were instead of finding acceptance for where we are right now in our physical health journey. Today's workshop is about reconnecting with our values, because when we connect to our values, it becomes easier for our brain to understand our why. And when we know our why, our actions become more aligned and sustainable. So wherever you are, we'll start off with a small meditation, finding a comfortable seat, and if you would like, you can close your eyes gently, taking an inhale through the nose, and exhale through the mouth. Noticing this seated position we're in. And starting to think about what comes up in mind when you think about your physical health journey. Letting the thoughts float by. Maybe noticing if you feel it anywhere in your body. Taking the time now to thank both your mind and your body for being a part of this health journey. Creating the space for whatever change will come, and also creating the space for accepting where you are right now. Breathing in through the nose, and out through the mouth.